Hi, here I will show you how to use Bupa Health Insurance as company. We have to open group secretary login, then we have to put our login ID and password and this CAPTCHA. Then we have to make login. Then we will see our home page. There we can see all the details: add employees, delete employees, this our status, our online invoice, track information, my network coverage, everything we can see here. We can get all the add employees. There we can add any employees to our organization. Delete employees, we can delete employees. Track information here. There we can track any information. My details. Here we will see our coverage details. Here this is statement of accounts. We can see our company statement, how much we paid, how much we have to pay, balance, everything. Then last one is the reimbursement. Here we can claim our we paid extra. Here we can claim. Thank you.